A neighborhood walk looking for something in nature to photograph for day 5 of my nature's video series. And these flowers caught my eye. Actually, there's a red to them. And you can see it's windy. It wouldn't surprise me if the phone's going to pick up the sound of the wind also. Buds resting gently on the leaves. Actually redder. It looks like purple, and the flowers are red. Well, the buds are pink. The flower parts are red. I have no idea what the flowers are. And I guess this shows today I'm open to color and the textures of the leaves on my walk. Sheila Finkelstein, Technology for Seniors Made Easy. Treasure your life now. Treasure it all. Bye. A little bit more, just showing the abundance of this bush. Moving around a little bit. This, I guess, this is the remnants. Looks like the flowers, the red flowers, come out of that center cup. Very interesting. Those don't even want to stay still for you. So what we have evidently are the pinkish buds that will open up to the flowers. Then the flowers pull out and leave this cluster, which also looks very interesting, like a cluster of hyacinth. And part of it all are some of the dying leaves. Now to find out what this plant is, maybe. Sheila Finkelstein, Technology for Seniors Made Easy, and treasure your life now. The beauty, everything that's in it.